I've worked with teams to implement marketing automation across dozens of B2B teams. Different sizes, different industries, different levels of mess. And after all of that, the answer is the same almost every time. One platform, $97 a month, replaces most of the stack. I'll show you what it is, what it actually does, what changed this year, and where it breaks. Quick heads up, there's a link to a free trial with bonuses in the description below. Here's what I see across most companies I start working with. A CRM over there, email sending platform over there, an SMS tool, a landing page builder, a scheduling software, Zapier, and more. 6, 7, or 8 tools, all doing one thing each, and none of them talking to each other. A lead fills out a form. Nobody follows up for a couple days. By the time someone calls, the lead is already gone with a competitor who is more responsive. Then the blame cycle starts. Sales blames marketing for poor lead quality. Marketing blames sales because they didn't follow up. The real problem is nothing's connected. So every tool you add makes the system more complicated. More tools, more logins, more integration, and this happens more than you'd think. It's less of a system and more of a collection of subscriptions. The platform I use is called GoHighLevel. Most people call it High Level. It replaces the CRM, the email platform, the SMS tool, landing pages, forms, schedulers, flows, chatbots, automation workflows, and even a website builder if you need it. One platform, one login, one bill, starting at $97 a month. Let me walk you through what actually matters inside of it. CRM and pipeline. Every contact record shows email opens, SMS conversations, call logs, campaign interactions, and pipeline stages. Sales sees exactly what marketing did. Marketing sees exactly what happened after the lead came in. No gray areas. Automation workflows. Visual builder. Lead comes in. CRM contact gets created. Sales rep gets notified. SMS follow-up fires. Email nurture begins. Pipeline stages are updated, all automatic. Follow-up no longer depends on waiting for someone to send an email. Funnels, forms, and landing pages. Built in, no separate tool. No integration. Lead fills out a form and they're already inside your CRM, already in a workflow and already being followed up with. Email and SMS, centralized. Every conversation, email, text, chat, shows up on the same contact timeline that sales sees. No switching between platforms to understand a single deal. Reporting. Because everything lives in one system, you can actually see lead source to pipeline to revenue. Actual visibility into what's working and what's not. That's the base. And honestly, for a lot of companies, that's enough to fix what's broken. But 2026 changed things. GoHighLevel went from replacing your tool stack and adding an AI operations layer on top. And this part is worth paying attention to. HighLevel has a growing set of AI tools built right into the platform. Voice AI. This is an AI phone receptionist. It can answer inbound calls, qualify leads, book appointments, and route to a human when it's needed. Voice quality has actually improved a lot. The pauses, interruptions, and conversation flow feel much more natural than the older AI phone models. And it's not just about inbound anymore. Voice AI can also support outbound follow-up, which means the system can call leads instead of waiting for the leads to call you. This handles SMS, website chat, and social messaging. It can answer FAQs, qualify leads, and move people toward booking an appointment. It can handle the majority of first-touch conversations before a human ever gets involved. This helps automate review requests and can draft personalized responses to Google and Facebook reviews. That used to be a manual task that someone on the team had to remember to do. Now it can be built into the system. Content AI. This helps draft email copy, campaign copy, funnel copy, and other marketing copy with a prompt. It's not a replacement for strategy, but it can cut a lot of setup time when you're building campaigns. Another big piece is knowledge bases. You can give the AI your business information, FAQs, service details, SOPs, and website content. So the AI isn't answering from generic information. It's answering from the actual business context. Now here's where it gets interesting. Agent Studio. This isn't a basic chatbot builder. It sits somewhere between traditional AI workflows and true AI agents. You can give the agent instructions, context, goals, and access to parts of the high-level account. Then it can evaluate conversations and take actions within the guardrails that you set. A lead comes in. The agent can look at the conversation, understand intent, and decide whether the person is ready to book, needs more information, or should be handed off to a human. If they're interested, it can push toward the appointment. If they're clearly not interested, it can stop the follow-up and update the contact record. So instead of building 40 different branches manually, you can let the AI handle more of the context and decision-making inside a controlled system. Workflow AI is another time saver. You describe what you want the automation to do in plain language, and Workflow AI helps scaffold the workflow. You still need to review it, clean it up, and make sure the logic is right, but it gets you past the blank screen. What used to take an hour or two to map out can often be much faster with AI doing the first pass. And then there's the Claude integration through MCP. HighLevel now supports a direct MCP connection, which means Claude can now access your HighLevel account directly without needing Zapier or custom API work in the middle. Depending on permissions, Claude can now help work with contacts, opportunities, calendars, conversations, tags, and custom fields. So instead of clicking through the CRM manually, you can now ask Claude to help pull up the contact, check a deal status, summarize activity, or help update records. That's the bigger shift. GoHighLevel is no longer just a CRM, funnel builder, and marketing automation platform. It's becoming the place where your marketing automation, sales follow-up, and CRM data all live in one connected platform. Honestly, the best way to understand what this platform can really do is to just dive in and test it. I have a free trial link in the description. Comes with thousands of dollars in bonuses, workflows, the thing that removes the hardest part, which is starting from scratch. Link below. Grab it and give it a try. Now, let me be honest about where GoHighLevel strains, because it isn't perfect. Complex B2B sales cycles. Linear pipelines, fine. 6-month deals with 5 decision makers across 3 departments, a little bit harder. GoHighLevel's CRM wasn't built for that complexity. If that's your motion, then HubSpot still has an edge on CRM depth. Board level attribution. GoHighLevel captures leads and runs workflows. What it doesn't do is multi-touch attribution into a clean dashboard. You'll need to layer something on top. Setup. This is not plug and play. It takes real configuration to use it efficiently. If your marketing person also runs content, social, outbound, GoHighLevel becomes their full-time project for at least a couple weeks to a month. The AI Employee Suite is an add-on. $97 a month is the base platform. The AI layer is an additional cost per sub-account layered on top of that. So you're looking at roughly $200 a month for the full experience for one sub-account. Still a fraction of what most companies are paying for a stitched-together stack, but worth knowing before you budget. And Agent Studio. It's powerful, but it's new. If voice is your primary use case and you need the most natural-sounding, customizable voice flows, dedicated platforms built specifically for voice will have an edge. GoHighLevel's AI is a strong layer inside of a broader tool. It's not going to beat a tool whose sole focus is voice. Here's where I land. For most B2B companies building a marketing foundation or rebuilding one that's been held together by 6, 7, 8 or more tools, GoHighLevel is the right starting point. The base plan at $97 per month replaces most of the stack. The AI layer, if you add it, replaces work that used to require a person. And the Claude integration means your AI workflows connect directly to your CRM without middleware. HubSpot becomes the right call when your sales complexity, reporting requirements, or content infrastructure have genuinely outgrown what GoHighLevel has to offer. And when you've budgeted for the full cost, not just the subscription. But here's what I keep coming back to. Disconnected tools don't just cost more money, they cost you leads. Every handoff between platforms is a place where someone falls through the cracks. One system, one pipeline, one place where everything connects. The best marketing automation software for 2026 isn't the one with the most features. It's the one your team will actually use consistently, connected to everything without 6 logins. The best way to see if this fits is to just get in and build something. Free trial link is in the description, over $8,000 in bonuses included.